My son, Bradley, was born extremely premature and had a stroke at only 10 weeks old, leaving him needing a feeding tube. For the first year of his life, he was horribly ill, throwing up every day, in and out of the hospital, not growing. I had no hope, but I wouldn't give up. I knew there had to be an answer. What I never imagined was that part of the problem was what we were feeding him. I found families on the Blenderized RN Facebook page and learned about the artificial ingredients in standard feeding tube formulas like the one Bradley was taking. That inspired me to find Nourish from Functional Formularies. Functional Formularies feeding tube formulas are made with organic, whole food ingredients from the cleanest plants on earth, each purposefully selected to promote overall health. Before long, we were seeing changes. He wasn't throwing up. Then he began to grow. He was laughing and playing, and against all odds, he started to walk on his own. Now, Bradley and I are dancing with joy. Nothing feels impossible anymore. We have hope again. Read more about Bradley and the other people of hope at functionalformularies.com/people of hope.